Well, it's Sunday morning, and as you can see, I pretty well got my car stuck. When I was trying to get it out yesterday, it slid, and now it's facing downhill, and being front-wheel drive with the front wheels stuck in the snow is not, stuck in the mud and the snow, isn't really a good thing. And here's the other side. Just as bad, if not worse. It's kind of drilled itself in there pretty deep, and of course, Lucky, he's having to check this out too. Some kind of stuck out here, and guess what? It's snowing again, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I guess just go back inside, stay warm, and figure out how I'm going to struggle through the week. And I already told a friend that I'm going to open up a box of crackers today, so I don't know if that's getting desperate, but don't have a lot of choices of food. I still have a lot of microwave stuff, so as long as my power stays on, I'm doing pretty good. They did come out. I guess I don't know if it's the county or whoever, but they did come out and they actually plowed the road yesterday, which would have been nice if I could have got my car out. But guess I'm just gonna have to wait this thing out. But definitely, I have learned I'm going to buy a couple of snow shovels and be prepared for the next time this happens. This is Rick in Whitehorn Cove out at Fort Gibson Lake in Wagner, Oklahoma.